Sa akin to sa live. So, try natin.
Napansin po kasi nila, medyo magkaboses kami.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's some semblance sa boses namin.
So, sa mukha, singkit kami dalawa.
So, let's try this. Ang kakantahin namin is, ano ba ito? Where's my código? Theme for June. So, let's see how this works now.
You are my thing for a dream, everything for a thing for a dream. The dreams I dream day and night, but your arms are holding me so tight. For a thing for a dream. When I dream I kiss you, music like the starlight. Every time I touch you, when I touch you, each and every time a child rings out, I love you, only you forevermore. Cause you're my thing for a dream, yes you are, a very lovely thing for a thing for a dream. So angel, please say that you love me too, make my dreams come true. When I dream I kissed you, music filled with starlight. Every time I touch you, each and every time a smile brings by, I love you, only forevermore. Cause you're my thing for a dream, yes you are, a very lovely thing. So angel, please say that you will love me too, and make my dreams come true, and make my dreams come true. Please make my dreams come true.
Galing talaga ni Bunso. Wala po kaming yan ha. Wala kaming rehearsal on the floor. That's how good this kid is. So, isa pang duet? Okay. Yeah, let me get my código again. It comes with age. Okay. Ito, kinanta ko to sa sa RJTV the last time. And gusto niya sumingit kaso di siya pwede. Yeah. So let's try the song first, guys. It's another classic from Cliff Richard, and the title is The Young Ones.
Because there's a problem. Every time na magkita kami ni Kuya Naz, even sa live, lagi ako nagsi-second voice sa kanya.
Okay.
And then when we were at RJ Bistro, I was so frustrated because I couldn't do any second voices. Kaya nung kumakanta siya ng Dreaming of love, of losing at high altitude. Kasi marunong akong second voice.
Okay, so let's see.
Darling, we're the young ones. We're the young ones. Shouldn't be afraid to live life while the flame is strong. But we may not be the young ones very long. I wait until tomorrow, 'cause tomorrow sometimes never comes. So long, me, there's a song to be sung, and the best time is to sing it while we're young. Once in every lifetime, and a love like this, I need you. and the young hearts shouldn't be afraid. And someday, when the years are flown, darling, let me teach the young ones of our own. Once in every lifetime,
Sarap lang na kayo napapagod sa itsura mo.
Oh, why you leave me? Oh, my darling, can't you see your dreams should be dreamed together? The young hearts shouldn't be afraid. And someday, when the years have flown, darling, and we'll teach the young ones of our own.
Wala nakasunod na yan eh. Tapos na.
Hihingi na lang po kami ng pasensya ni Kuya Nals dahil hindi po kami marunong sumayaw. Hanggang galaw lang po ng balikat, hanggang tapak-tapak lang po ang kaya namin.
Yeah, I remember, di ba, pinasayaw tayo dun sa RJTV. That was forced.
I was struggling eh.
Di ba? Yeah, ano ba naman aasahan nila sa amin eh, ang maganda lang sa amin yung boses eh. Yung kalab mantigas mga katawan namin eh. So, but we're forced, but we had a great time sa RJTV.
The only time that you're gonna see me dance good is pag-performance task.
Ang galing. Uy, quartet na natin. Yeah, unfortunately,